Precision handling in Python. Precision handling in Python is an important term that basically denotes how to handle decimal places according to the need. It is a concept that is mostly used in complex calculation problems such as finance, measurements, and scientific computations. It means carefully picking the correct decimal places and rounding method for each task. What is precision handling? Precision handling means taking the decimal places after the decimal point of a number. It helps to round up the decimal places of a number according to the target value. It can be achieved by using the precision handling methods in Python. The following are the pre-built functions or methods to achieve this concept. Using round function, using percent operator, using trunc, ceil, floor functions from math module, using string formatting with format in Python, using getContext in decimal.